Tum fam, welcome back to another episode. Today we are making polo chicken or stuffed chicken. It's a versatile, you can serve it as a starter, snack or a full meal for dinner. Let's get started. We are using 4 chicken breasts, but feel free to adjust the quantity as per your need. Take a chicken breast and make a cut in the middle to open it up. Place a cling sheet or plastic wrap over the chicken breast and flatten it with the meat mallet until it gets thin. This will help us to roll the chicken later. Season the chicken with a pinch of salt, black pepper powder and garlic powder. Take them aside. Now prepare the stuffing. In a bowl, take blanched spinach. Originally, it was a handful of spinach, and after blanching, it now measures about half cup. Chopped mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, salt, black pepper powder, chili flakes. Mix everything well. Feel free to customize the stuffing to your taste. You are the boss. Place the seasoned chicken breast on cling sheet, add the stuffing in the middle, then use the cling sheet to help roll the chicken into a cylindrical shape. Tie the ends of the cling sheet to secure it tightly. Place the chicken rolls in the freezer for an hour. While the chicken is resting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for more delicious recipes. As the chicken chills in the freezer, let's get the sauce ready. In a pan, melt some butter on low flame, add finely chopped garlic and finely chopped onion. Saute for 2 minutes until the garlic becomes fragrant. Add chopped olives, milk, cream, chicken powder, mustard paste, black pepper powder, chili flakes, Italian herbs, and cheddar cheese. Mix thoroughly. Cook until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Set the sauce aside for later use. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt, black pepper powder, and oregano. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs, in a third bowl, have your breadcrumbs ready or use shredded potatoes for coating. Remove the cling sheet from the chicken rolls and follow these steps. Roll the chicken in a flour, dip it in the beaten eggs, ensuring it's well covered. Coat it with the breadcrumbs. Heat on the low to medium flame. Fry the chicken until it gets golden brown about 15 minutes. Let them rest for a while, then slice them open to reveal the cheesy goodness inside. Drizzle the prepared sauce. It's looking so delicious. So drizzle the prepared sauce over the chicken rolls. We are serving ours with stir-fry veggies and rice, but you can also go with mashed potatoes. I hope you love our recipe. If you did, please like, share, and leave your feedback in the comments. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.